Oh yeah, I was just about to tell you.
Big one. Oh, it's a walleye.
Is he a big one? You want to keep him?
There's two of them just following them.
Dude,
that's
lit up.
That's a walleye. Yeah, there's one following them. That's a good one.
You want to keep him?
Give it to your dad. Hey, I was jerking that boy hard too, like aggressive. That's a keeper for sure.
Yeah, no.
Here, guys, little Walter on the Vision. Here, using a drop shot for some walleyes. They're very little right now, but we're gonna try to find the bigger ones. Might choose different one. I noticed that the bigger walleye that we kept was on a jerkbait and closer to the wall. So
Actually, just keep it right there because what I just seen was crazy.
I got a fish. Just a little fish.
Yes, I'm looking at you. If you could just look at that seed. Good.
Yeah?
That's a smallmouth, dude. Did you see him?
No, no.
Get the net.
Got you, bro.
That's a smallmouth, dude. He's pissed. Oh, that's a good walleye. Look at him.
Dude.
Shit, yeah.
Dude, that's amazing. Let's go, dude.
This is gonna be a good part too.
Yeah.
Yeah. Damn.
On aggressive, on another walleye.
What the?
I did aggressive.
God.
There you go. Let's go. Let's go.
Yo, you taking home too? You want some?
Yeah.
You might as well, dude.
I did aggressive and he came for it.
This is not what I came here for.
I know.
Oh, okay, thank God.
I got one. And it's a good one.
All right, get in there. Or grab me. Or, hold on, let me grab it. Damn.
That's a good one. That has weight.
Oh, shit. Yeah, I see it.
That's a big one.
Kick the net. Yeah, there we go.
Nice. I got him hooked weird. That's why I thought it was a bigger one, but he definitely was fighting.
That's two apiece.
I got him right at that corner. I cast it.
Look at there, bro.
Look at this keeper. They're eating up. Look how fat the thing is. Nothing to see here, guys. Nothing, I promise. Just catching gobies. All nervous. Like, I'm just catching gobies, I swear. It's just what we do. This is it right here. Right here, guys. Just throwing a Vision 110 Junior +1. And very aggressive cadence. And catching walleyes. Got one.
You?
Yep.
Jay.
Another big one. Oh, that's a big one for sure.
Oh shit, yeah. Right.
Dude, that's a muskie? No, that's a big walleye.
Shit, my bad, bro. Let me get off. I hope I don't get this.
That's a big fish.
Okay, as soon as I get bit, I don't want to.
That's a big one, guys. He ain't moving. There you go.
Oh, he
Choked it. Beg you, bro. I mean, choked it. You think he wanted it? Head first? Head first. Head first. Head first. Did he want it?
No, he beyond wanted it. He ain't half the jerkbait, Jay.
Yeah. Beautiful. Keep going with the jerky. Now we're hitting up a different spot. The spot we were at earlier, it just wasn't producing fish after a while. I caught those 3 walleyes back to back. He caught a yellow perch. And after that, kind of slowed down. And we're gonna figure them out, see if we can find some more smallmouth bass, largemouth bass, or whatever's around the area. Biggin?
Yep. Oh yeah, that's small bass. Oh yeah.
Oh, that's a big one, dude. Got you, fam. Slowly, let them fight. Let them fight. You got them. Just keep tension. Let them fight. Get the drag. Let them tire him out, and then he'll come up, and then I'll get him. Just keep tension.
Oh, that's my first big one of the day.
This is your PB of the year.
Oh! Good God.
Yeah, that's a big fish. It's a dog. Yeah, right there.
Got it.
Hey, we got this beautiful bass right here.
For the year, yeah.
4-3.